So 3 days after being reunited with family in Maryland following what was at the time an accidental deportation to El Salvador, Kilmar Abrego Garcia, now back in federal custody. He was just released from jail in Tennessee to wait for his trial on human smuggling charges. But the Department of Homeland Security says Abrego Garcia is now being processed for removal to Uganda. So NewsNation's Joe Khalil's reporting on the case live outside the Justice Department in Washington. Joins us now. A federal judge had an emergency hearing, Joe, on this case this afternoon. So what came out of that?
Yeah, we learned a lot from that today, Connell. So right now, Abrego Garcia is in ICE custody. He came to a facility in Baltimore. He was detained by agents inside of there. He's in a facility somewhere in Virginia. He and his attorneys are now filing a lawsuit against the Department of Justice, alleging that they're trying to deport him without giving him his day in court. Now, remember, the DOJ has already filed criminal charges federally against him. So there are two suits. There's now the suit against Garcia, and then the one Garcia has filed against the DOJ. At that hearing today, the judge who's been overseeing both of these cases, she seemed pretty skeptical about a couple things the DOJ is doing. Number one, she put in order, a temporary restraining order on the government, saying they absolutely cannot deport him until his lawsuit hearings play out. And she was very serious. You could hear her tone, Connell, because in the past, as we know, the government has deported him by mistake and then eventually brought him back, but it took some time. So she was very serious about that. She also clearly expressed some concern about reports that in the other case, the one against him, that the DOJ basically dangled a plea deal in front of him that would have him deported to Costa Rica. Now, remember, he's facing this deportation to Uganda right now. His attorneys have said they feel the DOJ and ICE are bringing up the Uganda piece to pressure him to accept the plea deal that he would have gone to Costa Rica. The judge said basically to the DOJ, you can't be doing that because effectively you're playing with this man's constitutional rights, and you can't sort of do that as a way to send him. So as both of these things play out now, we know he is going to remain here if the Department of Justice follows the judge's order, and the attorney there said they're going to do that.
All right, Joe, we'll see what happens next in this case. We're still going. Kilmar Abrego Garcia, Joe Khalil in Washington.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.